Are pain and suffering damages taxable in insurance settlements? In the world of personal injury law, a hot topic has emerged. Are pain and suffering damages taxable in insurance settlements? This question is gaining traction as more people seek clarity on their financial situations following accidents. If you have recently settled a personal injury claim, understanding the tax implications is essential. Let's break it down. Generally, compensation for physical injuries or physical sickness, including pain and suffering, is not taxable. This means if you receive damages specifically for physical pain and suffering from a personal injury, you typically do not have to report it as taxable income. However, there are exceptions to this rule that you should be aware of. If your settlement includes amounts for emotional distress or mental anguish not directly tied to a physical injury, those amounts may be taxable. Additionally, any interest earned on your settlement amount is usually subject to taxation. If you received punitive damages in your case, those are generally taxable regardless of the injury type. Another important point to consider is if you previously deducted medical expenses related to your injury on your tax returns. In that case, the portion of the settlement that covers those expenses could be taxable. The Internal Revenue Service treats settlements for physical injuries or sickness as not taxable under Internal Revenue Code Section 104, subsection A, paragraph 2. However, amounts for non-physical injuries or punitive damages do not qualify for this exclusion. So, in summary, pain and suffering damages linked directly to physical injury or sickness in insurance settlements are typically not taxable. But other components of the settlement may be subject to taxation depending on their classification and the specifics of your case. To navigate these complexities, consulting a tax professional or an attorney familiar with personal injury settlements is wise. They can help you understand the tax implications fully and ensure you comply with current laws.